Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today I'm going to be unboxing some of my Boxycharm add-ons that I just got in the mail. Now this is only half of my add-ons that I got. However, I did want to jump on and make a video real quick just to let everyone know and kind of re-announce the giveaway that's coming soon with 60 subscribers. We're at 53 right now. So we only need 7 more subscribers and it will be a giveaway, and it's going to be featuring a Norvina palette and also a few other things that I have that I will be showing you when I get the rest of my Boxycharm add-ons. But if you like beauty subscriptions, reviews, or unboxings, anything in that nature, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for more easier access to videos like this. And also for a chance to enter in that giveaway. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start here. This is the half of my add-ons that I got, so I'm excited to look at them in person, because you know when you just see them online it's way different when you get to hold the things in your hands. The first thing I got here, which I already have several of these, is a Moxie Lash Sassy Lash. And the reason why I got this, again, is because the Sassy Lash is one of my favorites from Moxie Lash. It looks really great on me. I'm just going to go ahead and show you what the lashes look like real quick. Okay, and here are the lashes right here. And I absolutely love them because they're natural, but at the same time, too, definitely flattering, and could tell that I'm wearing lashes. I'm not wearing any today because I didn't have time. I wanted to just jump on real quick, this video done. Okay, and the next thing I got in here was this Hello Kitty headband. Oh, it's so soft. Absolutely love this. Super cute. I have a few of these already, but it's always good to have extra, especially when you want to keep your hair out of your face when you do your makeup. I got was this Luxie brush set, and I have not seen this in person, so I'm excited to open up and see what these brushes look like. It comes in a very nice case. It's almost like a suede packaging. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Here are the brushes inside here. And I know we get a lot of brushes and stuff in Boxycharm and other subscriptions, but I can really never have too many, especially with doing YouTube. I use brushes every single day. So to have extra backup of nice quality brushes is definitely worth it for me. Next up, I got this Hallmark Collections, and it's a satin robe. And I couldn't resist. I think it was like $7 or $9, something like that. But, oh, it comes with a belt for you to wrap around to tighten it. And I can't really open it all the way because the screen's not big enough. But it is very soft. It's like a generic silk. So I will be getting some use out of this. I only have cotton robes, so I wanted to have some silk robes too. And last but not least in this box is G by Gerono makeup holder. Yet again, this goes with the brushes. You can never really have too many of these if you have a lot of brushes. I couldn't resist because it is super cute. And it seems pretty, I know it's made of plastic, but it seems pretty thick and durable, which I do like. And that's everything for my video. Sorry it was so short today. I didn't get the rest of my add-ons. I should be getting them here in the next couple days, which also includes a mystery bundle, which I think everyone will be excited, because I'm definitely excited to see what's inside of that mystery bundle that I got. Anyways, that's everything I have for you. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.